Welcome to Devlog number 5. This time I've got new art to show, a whole new direction for the tile system and some quick updates from beyond final form. I got a pop filter, let me know if the audio sounds any better. I also showcased our jam game M-Pop at a serious game event and it was really well received. You can try it via link in the description. Turning it into a full game will be one of our next projects. I also announced a Gaijin card, my PhD game project. I'll share more details about it in a separate video close to the fall when my academic year kicks off. And I'll write back to final form. And let's start with some visual updates. New art. As mentioned in the last devlog, I've partnered with an artist. Link for his art station is in the description, so check it out. And here are the results. First and foremost, we've reworked the hood. It's still work in the process. This is not a final version, but just compare how it looks now and how it looked before. He also drew new versions of the current runes and I think they look really cool. They kind of keep the point of the previous drawings but look way better. And he also remade all the characters. These are the new draft characters, not a final version, but the direction we are going to. So this is a kind of shift from funky to something more grandiose, so it really changes the tone. I think it fits the narrative of a God game much better, and I hope you agree. Speaking of things getting grandiose, so let's talk about the new tile system, and hell, it's big. I've been completely overhauling it to move away from the old vertical progression where everything pushed towards tier 3 tiles in the horizontal, adaptive and constantly evolving structure. Some key changes. All 22 terrain types are turned into 28 biomes and 64 features. There's also a new geometric rule. Neighboring tiles now affect how terraforming works, and a new element. Currently I called it human, but I'm looking for other names, and it includes roads, villages and other infrastructural or industrial traces, and it can mix with other terrain and biomes as well, like human plus terra makes a quarry. All in all, it makes 1600 unique tile combinations, which is crazy. But if you set aside geometric rules, like turning rivers in different directions, we're really talking about 150 terrain types or so. It still sounds really massive, but the point isn't complexity, it's more like freedom or fluidity. Terraforming logic itself fits in just a few simple rules. You don't have to memorize tile lists or plan every detail. It's about giving you more tools to explore and shape the world and solve changes in multiple ways. We're also experimenting with new soundtracks, and this is a soundtrack for our show where you can see Space Cockroach Gregor Samson. Next time I'll dive into how we are actually implementing this monster of a tile system and what makes it work, and I'll go into all details about both game mechanics and technical implementation because I think we got some interesting solutions there. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next devlog.